How we all doing? That link and then YouTube. That was so stupid. Okay. Get it. And copy this link. Boom. Paste. And blue sky. There we go. And I'm just pasting this around. Stream notifications. Boom. And here. Boom. Tuning board, shop night related, not there right now. So promo, boom. Alright, and I believe that is it. I'm also just gonna pop in here. Cool. And go here. Welcome everybody. I hope we are all doing well, because today we are going to look into Mina the Hollower's unused levels. I am hollowing, Nathan. We're hollowing some unused levels. You know what? I'm actually going to request somebody's thing. Okay, so first things first, we will have to unfortunately like restart the game a bunch. Let me also check to see how loud it is. It seems fine. There we go. But yeah, so I have it set up so now whenever it does a transition, we move into a level. Oh, that's fantastic. That hasn't happened before. But yeah, we can go anywhere that we want. That should work. Okay. So I think it works, and then I need to turn it off. I haven't really had much time to mess with my script. So bear with me. So I'll do this, do that, turn it off. Now we don't crash? No, we still crash. Okay. We're doing this a different way. Unfortunately, I tried setting that up before. Just to make this go quicker. But unfortunately, it does crash if I replace it. But it's luckily pretty simple. So I go here, do that, I'm gonna move this here, in here, and this is one of the, are you serious? Okay, maybe it doesn't like that I don't have a save file loaded. Maybe that's why. But yes, there will be a lot of crashing, because I haven't had much time with this game yet. I'm gonna try going here. And I should just be able to do this, and then do that. There we go. Yeah, there we go. Now we're not crashing. So yeah, this is the first room that I have found. I think it's just a test room for tile maps. You can't pause here, and there's no way to force the game to change levels yet. So you know, we'll figure it out. So anyways, there was that one. Oh, so it adds that to my save file. Nice. Ew. Okay, well that's not nice, because now I gotta reboot the game again. A real room with a challenge, yeah. So now, if you actually want a real room with a challenge, let me show you level 31. So I am pretty new to everything with this game. Like, I literally bought it last night. There are these cubes here, and they each have like a challenge in them. I guess this is a room that tests all of these, but we hop into it. This game is fucking crazy. Oh yeah, that happens. Yeah. I'm not sure why it brought me here, but regardless, let's get back here. So, yeah, everything in here I think insta-kills. Yep. Holy shit, okay. I don't know what these rooms are though, like, is this like a, oh yeah, this stream will definitely have like spoilers, because I don't know what the hell anything is. So, we'll figure it out. We'll find what things are. This could just be like a bunch of different test rooms. Oh my god, that is an insane challenge. All of these rooms are fucked. Like, what the hell? Oh. Okay, the spikes give me iframes. That is good. These rooms are torturous. What the hell? Oh my god. So yeah, this room kind of just has all of these. I don't know what they're from in the game. Oh my god, those enemies. I know I should have more health here, but I don't. If I beat one of these rooms, I'll be happy. Oh, is that like a timer? But No! I don't know how much health these guys have. But once I get to... like... oh shit, of course. Once I beat any of these, we'll move on to 32. Oh, we got one. Oh shit. Okay, so those guys don't have that much health. I'm just curious as to what happens when you beat any of them. So they are timed. What the hell is that? Oh, it crashed. What the fuck is this? Like, whatever it is absolutely insane. God. Okay. Stage override, we go 32. Let's move on. Oh yeah, 32 is this one. Okay, so now we might just get into normal levels for a little bit. Increase value with 1. And then set hotkeys, create that guy, decrease value with 1. There we go. And we'll save it. Okay. So let's try 33 now. Radiant Manor Foyer. Oh, what the hell is this guy? Grinsley. I think this is just a normal level. Next. Yeah, no, it looks like we are back into normal. Oh, 36 crashes. Damn. I need to find a way to, like, force us back into the title screen or something. The audio is still going. Mina. But how are you doing, Nathan? Have you been playing Mina as of late? Okay, so 36 crashes. We'll try 37. 37 crashes. This is gonna happen a lot. Okay, looks like we need Task Manager open. Boom. There's 37 crashes. Turn that off for now. So 38. Crashes. Fuck. So the thing is, a lot of these are probably gonna crash because they do strip things from the game. And unfortunately, like, we don't have the files or the means to put code in at the moment. So yeah, once I put more time into things, maybe we'll be able to get ourselves out of there. but okay, so that's 39, 40. Be a level, please. In the code, there was a lot of stuff about like gyms, and they named them gyms in Shovel Knight 2. They're like little bug levels that they don't leave in. And there was a bunch of them for the different developers. Like there's one for Sandy, there's one for Bridget, Ian, whole bunch of people. And so I assume that's what we're going through right now. I don't know. So that was 1. So 42. Come on. Nothing on 42. Until we get more levels, I'm just gonna mute that. Alright, so 42 crashed. Let's try 43. Nothing. Okay, well. I would say 2 of the gaming. Yeah, I mean, I know. I think I'm the only person who has done this so far, but still. Okay, so we need to go to 44 now. I also do have the demo. Okay, 44 works. So yeah, that must have been. So that was what, like 12 levels? Okay, so 44 works. One thing I've noticed is a lot of these areas just look really cool. 47, these are all just normal levels. 48. No. I'm looking for the interesting stuff. Huh. I don't think I changed it. 52 crash. God damn it. Alright. So we're on 53 now. But yeah, have you been playing Mina at all? Don't mind me. Just walking on the train tracks. I think this is just the background of the train. Rip. That sucks. That's fair. I feel like this is one of those games that you can like sort of wait on picking up. Oh shit, I can't pause. I think I know. Actually, no, never mind. I was gonna say, I think I know why it doesn't let me sometimes, but nah. No idea. Alright, 54. Oh? She's alive. There's just nothing here. Alright, I can't pause, so let's reboot. Alright. Fine. Oh, another one. Of pitch black. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba-da. Same thing. Oh, come on. Give me something cool. But I'm also just gonna guess that it's not gonna do anything. 57 is nothing, so we'll go 58 now. Nothing. Oh man. Now I do want to say the dev menu is typically like one of the final, or no, it is the final screen or level in the game. So at least in Shovel Knight. So we will have to see. I know they said there's a lot of levels in this game, or at least a lot of screens. I don't know how many levels exactly. Nothing. 50. Will we have anything for... The answer is no. There might also just not be like a lot of screens. It's hard to say, but I do think there will be a lot of like empty gaps in the code. Or in the files. Shovel Knight has that too. Like not every level is actually like used up. I think I am also just gonna do YouTube and do Spotify. Especially if there are gonna be a lot of like gaps like this, where there's a lot of unused and scrapped files. We'll Destination of Red later. So 63 now. Come on. Alright, nothing on 63. Nothing. How's your day going, by the way? Having a good one? 75 is nothing. Uh, 66. Nothing again. The funny numbers coming up. Nothing. The better funny numbers coming up. Going alright, currently. Ooh, which one? Nothing on 68. What about the goat of all numbers? Oh. Oh, here we go. Now we get the gems. Alright, so this super villains, huh? Interesting. Okay, so that was 70? I think? 71. So I have a feeling we're gonna get a whole bunch of these gym levels. What? Alright. 70. All checkpoint gym. What sort of stuff are you modding for it? And now we got nothing again. Man. Three. Ugh. These are so sad. Like, I don't even get a crash to know what the level would be. Alright, 75. Nothing. $76. Nothing. 78. I hate these so much. Like, it's not even a crash or anything, it's just like a straight soft lock. Go to 79. Nobody is surprised. I have high hopes for 80, to be honest. 84 is the title screen, so we're getting close. Nothing, dude. One. Nothing. $82. I think after 84, we're gonna start seeing things. Shit. And of course we're on a level that kills it. I guess I might as well just make sure I can actually get into something. We'll go to 17. There we go. So I think we're at 83. Yep. Okay. Just had to make sure that it wasn't the level file that was ruining things. Okay, so 84 should just bring us back to the title screen. Yeah, there we go. 85. Nothing. Oh, this is painful. Although I have also never done this for Shovel Knight. So it could be the exact same. Nothing. I'm not even gonna bother trying to go into the level. I'll do that when we find one that doesn't just soft lock. Okay. Ooh, okay. 88. Kingstone. Slash. Return to checkpoint. Okay. 89. Nothing. That was 88. So we're on 90 now. man, this is... See, I was expecting there to be a lot more, because I found those two, you know? Yeah, this is proving to be quite rough. 92 is nothing. Come on, let me find something. No. See, I don't know how many levels are actually in here, or how many I should be searching for. 95. Nothing. Six. Oh, okay, okay. Bow, 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 ba-dow. One second. Alright, so Steam Next Fest. Interesting. Yeah, I think it is the like different demos, but oh. Oh wait, I gotta turn this off. Bit Summit. Oh. Okay. Well, it looks like we're just stuck here. 96 demo select. Doesn't go anywhere. Okay, that's alright. 97. Ooh. Okay. Yo. Weapon select. Akin to Shovel Knights. Campaign select. That is okay. Neat. Huh. Okay, so I'm not sure what to do here. This art is insane. Cool. Sure, let's go Night Star. Oh yeah, I gotta turn this off. So 97, nice. Okay. It loops. Loops as well. Thanks for playing. Cool. Oh. 98. Demo results. Crashes without data. Checks out. Okay, so 99 then? Oh. Huh. That's cool. 99. Upsell screen. Dude, that's sick. 100 Kickstarter stream. Okay, we got the options here. No modifiers though. Is this just the demos options? Oh, title screen options. Okay. But wait, the script is on. It shouldn't be going back here. That is so weird. Okay. 102 does not do things again. Oh, that's annoying. Well, we found some new stuff. Got some demo screens, the Kickstarter screen. So we're on 103 now. I really hope there's a dev menu in here. That'd be so nice. Not only for modding, but also just like navigating. Okay, 105. Okay, nice. 105. File select. Oh. Credits. Cool. 107 dies. No 8. Nothing. Nine. Okay. Control cutscene. Another cutscene. I think now we're in cutscene zone. Oh, we are soft locked. Fuck. So 111. Okay, so we're in cutscene zone. Okay, so that unfortunately doesn't work. Okay, so 112? Or, yeah, 112, I think it is. 112? Oh, shit. God damn it. Cool. Yeah, it doesn't work with these, unfortunately. Bum, 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 bum. Okay, so 114 now. Yeah, these are all just cutscenes. So we need 115. More of those. Does doing this fix it? Nope. Okay, 117. Another one. $119. That looked pretty sick. $120. Okay. 121. Interesting. So we're in the cutscene zone. I don't remember what I was on. 122. Okay. Man, I hate these cutscenes. 121. Still cutscenes. I'm holding out for a dev menu here. In Treasure Trove, they put it at the very, very end. Like after all the cutscenes. That's another cutscene. 4. So I'm really hoping it shows up at the end there. The demo menus still being in there are interesting. 125 now. They said there's more than treasure trove. More screens, yeah, but not more dev menus. Also, screens doesn't mean levels. In this game, it seems like they don't have all that many like actual playable levels, but they do have like a lot of different screens that you go to in them. I think I'm on 126. Yeah, spooky. 127. This game looks really good. I think my main goal for this game, like the other one, Treasure Trove, was just expanding it, adding in all the stuff for everything. I think for this game, I just want to add co-op to it. I think that's the main thing. Pretty neat. I saw someone post a thing where they like went down and then she got all angry about it. Yeah, we're stuck here. 129. But yeah, I want to add co-op to it. I love fucking top-down Zelda, like, co-op. That shit is so fun. And for a game like this, like, I could see that being amazing. Okay, 130. I hate that I gotta reboot the game every time. At least we're seeing things now, though. 30. What the hell is this guy? He looks like something that fucking Grunkle Stan would set up in the Mystery Shack in Gravity Falls. The Thornycroft. And yeah, we're stuck here. 131. Shit, that looks cool. Gonna be stuck here? Yep. So 132 now. I think after this I'm gonna look into the demo to see if there's anything extra that they left in there. It's hard to say if they would or not, but we can mess with it. So 133 now. Super. Yep. 134. We gotta get past these little cutscenes so then we can actually rapid fire them. 134. But I do think after them, okay, we got splash screen that shows up before the other stuff. Okay, now we're in the intro stuff. 134. Splash screen, and then it goes on to 34 to 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. I don't want AI viewers. Thank you, Jumpy Power. Goodbye. They have evolved from best viewers. Okay. So, to 144 equals intro cutscene. My bad. That was a sneeze. 145 to... I love that they still do their little credits sequence like this. I don't need to see all these. Okay, that to 154 equals credits, cutscenes. No spoilers. Uh-oh. I can't pause in this. Can I kill myself? No. Okay. 155 equals... I don't need to do equals. This is the epilogue. Play stuff. Okay, so we're on 156 now. And we're back to nothing. I'll keep going for a little bit. Maybe to like 200. Just in case. Because it could be just very hidden at the end. Past all the empty screens. Okay. 9. Game crashed. The number of screens is different from the number of levels. Screens mean like every individual screen that you see. Like when the camera locks. That's what it means by screen. Like once you move to the next one, then that's a different screen. Yeah. So it's a little different from levels. Also, I have a bad feeling that it's crashing because we have hit the end. Oh, this hurts. No dev menus? Are you kidding me? 163. Nothing. Oh no. 165. Yeah, I think that's the end of what we got. Um, 166. We're just crashing now, man. 167. I think it's over, guys. I think we do not have a dev menu in here. 170. Okay. Gitra. I gotta go to everything. Gitra run dot bet. What do we got here? I'm also gonna check the demo for it, just in case. So debug draw. That's kind of cool. I wonder what goes on here. Throw extents, release gravity. I mean, I kind of want to see what the debug draw stuff means. Bum, 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 bum. RCX, debug draw. So now we might just do some poking around and seeing what we can enable. But damn, does that suck. Let's turn on override and go to AUSIX. I love how she just fucking like blasts in. Okay. So I'm looking for debug draw. Great. Copy. Nothing. Another hardware. Current tool type debug only. Is debugger present? Huh. Debug stage. Because I would love to find out what I can do with this game. Ah, come on. But yeah, I do really want to get multiplayer working for this, even if the camera doesn't, like, listen to both characters. I still want to be able to play it with someone. Might be a little strange due to that, but sounds like it would be fun. I need to figure out a way to like show the other health bar, but you know, I'll figure it out. It should hopefully just boil down to spawn 2 players and then assign, and then read the second controller input for her. The lossy compression. Okay, debug draw. Here we go. We got a pointer to it. Binary, no. What? It's not quite a value that I can use. Piano cat? I guess we'll see what this is doing. This is not running. Nothing? Really? Breakpoint. Delete all that. Okay. Debug draw is like, it's solid. It is something that I would love to be able to mess with. Debug stage is also interesting. Okay. Is there anything that you want me to mess with? Debug. Controller count. Interesting. Recorder, QA, meta. Okay, see. This. This is fantastic. Because they had this for Shovel of Hope. I don't know if they had it for all of Treasure Trove, but it essentially let you record stuff, like record the inputs, and show it on screen. Alas, they removed it from the release of the game, but it's still something worth looking into here. Entity transform, join a clock, input recorder again. That's not the one I'm looking for. I guess it is. Yeah, I think that's just a pointer to that string. How do I turn that on though? Hello, Trace. How you doing? These are not helping me at all. Debug draw. Like, why can't I just find the values for these? I'm not doing too bad. I'm kind of sad that I didn't find any dev menus in this game. I found like a demo select. Found, yeah, 96. Found a demo select. So if I go here and here and here, then like we got this. Unfortunately. Oh wait, what? Oh, no. Unfortunately, doesn't seem like it really does anything. But we do have like all the menus in here. So 96, 97, etc., etc. It's cool that we have this, but it doesn't really help much. It's gonna crash here. Yeah. But outside of that, I haven't really found anything else. But now I'm going through the code, seeing if I can enable some weird stuff. How's everything been for you? Been chilling, hell yeah. Okay, so here, I think I might actually be able to turn on debug draw, and that should give us like collision data, should give us hitbox data, or other stuff. Not entirely sure, but Ideally, I should just be able to turn it on. Projection mode, full screen mode, res height, capture rate. Huh. Hits. Where is our stuff? Use RNG seed. See, now that's interesting. Because this game has an RNG seed that's in your save file. And I don't know what that would be for, but it is interesting. Okay, so this should be jump not equal. But the thing is, it's not running right now. Yeah, none of this is being ran, which sucks. Is that I was really hoping. Debug draw. What if we reload this area? No. Damn. Debug draw. Yeah, this is just the string. Yeah, no, it's just the string. Why is none of this running? I don't even know what function this is in. The issue here is we don't have a decomp. So what that means is everything is kind of just unnamed here. So I kind of have to go off of their strings. Is anything in this running? I wonder if this is only loaded once. Turn this off so we can actually fully reload. I turned it off. Shit. Okay, let me just add this to here. Address only, boom. Why is it always a string? I don't want it to be a string. I got my own channel in the Mina Discord. Let's go. Anyways, let's close that. Let's reopen it. I wonder what I can find in this. Actually, yeah, let's not just get rid of that. Actually, you know, fuck it. Whatever. We'll try that. Oh! We beat the game, guys. We beat the game. I think that's because my save file had that as the last thing that I actually saved in it. I'm gonna compare this with 1. Oh, that's evil. Just fucking kills off the Mina. Yeah, debug draw is not being ran. That is unfortunate. But it might elsewhere. So let's look into that. There are a bunch of debug options. You know, I'm just gonna look more into debug draw, because that would be cool. So this loads it into RDX, it moves it into RDX. Oh, and then I compare. Okay. So it might actually be possible to turn this on. I don't know what debug draw actually will do, but we will see. I need less than 1,000 of those, please. I'll go with 11. I think this is the one that I just looked at. These RNG seed, debug draw. 1. Replace with nothing. Anywhere that it says that, I'm just gonna try to enable. Capture rate, res height, projection mode, resource name. Okay, so not that one is what I'm learning. We'll go up from here. Debug draw. I need to find out where it's getting debug draw. Because right now it's kind of just a pointer to a string. And then that string needs to do things. Or I guess it does things with the strings. I need to see what LEA means. LEA assembly. Load effective standard, which is like MOV but different. Simply calculates a memory address, stores that address as a value in a register to like the N. Okay. Good to know. Good to know. So technically we have gotten our win already, but I am not happy yet. So I want to be able to load one of these debug things. Either debug draw or the input recorder. Let's see if I can find anything that compares for debug draw outside of that one. If not, I'm gonna have to find out where it actually does that. Okay, well it does it here again. Oh, that seems to be where we already are. So it's just referenced multiple times in the same spot then? Okay. Ideally we would just be like, you know, it doesn't do anything with it. Like here it moves it somewhere, but I don't think that'll really help. Info editor only. Whatever enable is. I need to find out when these actually get run, if they do. Because right now it doesn't seem like they are. Like ever getting run. I also need to figure out like where the value for these actually is. I wonder if these are like launched when the thing starts. Quiet. Verbose debug. Okay. I'm gonna check out the input recorder real quick. QA meta stick. QA check. So it does exist here. So that was the first parameter, yeah. I need to figure out like where things here are getting run, because ideally they would just be run all the time, right? But that doesn't seem to be the case with a lot of these. Can this be the only place that this shows up? We don't even have it. Nice. Or C. That's not the whole thing. Oh my god. Okay. Do that then. Okay. Got a few. Does it run? Does not seem like it runs. What if we reboot the game? No. Huh. I wonder if there's something stopping this code from running. I'm also just gonna check out other stuff too. Yeah, nothing. Why though? Is it because it's like a function? Like a local definition, rather? That equals that, all that. So what reference is this? Not much. It's a pointer to the function, and this is in like a data array thing. stick. Action and stick. Yeah, this is all the same. Oh man. I'm like, what does it mean by meta? Version, controller count, seed, game state, end frame, save slot, and single player. See, single player is also kind of interesting to me. Because if they're mentioning single player, does that mean there's multiplayer? Single player, multiplayer. Go up. Oh. Nope. Extra player. Player character, player armor, player character, what? Complete. Why is it saying player character? You player character. Now we do actually have save data.yc. And this does have our save in it. Save version, played, save, demo upgraded, yada yada yada. Player name is here. I mean, like, I don't know what I'm expecting to find from player character, but it is intriguing. The second one, Ram 2. Variable player car. I wonder if this is where it creates the character. Move RD, not that one. RDP, RDX, no, maybe, possibly. Keyword pointer, so it should. It's gotta be one of these. This is only gonna happen when we load in. I'm gonna turn this on to 17. Okay. We got a hit. So RDX plus 8. RDX plus 8. It's not a string, so let's get that out of here. Why is it 10? What would 10 be? Like what? Why would it pass in player car as 10? Because RAX that, then we move U player car into the function, which has it as the second parameter. Like, what could player character be? Unless it means like armor or something. I don't know, let's go 9, I guess. We trash? Okay. That's fine. But like, why would it be 10? What part of character would be 10? Like, that doesn't make sense to me. Okay, so there it happened on its own. I mean, it could also be this one. I don't know. Oh, I lost that. It's fine. That is weird though that there's like a single player thing in there. Cause like, of course it's single player, right? And then this one, I think, worked. Or not worked, but tripped. No. Okay. So it was this one, and that was a false negative, or a false positive. I wonder what new player character is. Because I don't think you can play as any other character in this game. Random seed stuff. Yada yada yada. Recover health. Health upgrade flags. Weapon name. Like, this seems like it's the save file. Next level, vial count storage, beast active. Money lost, money found, bones donated, train pass, train arrived, yada yada yada. So yeah, this has gotta be just like the save file. Thief disable. What do we have in here anyway? How many down is player character? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in. Okay. Save version 4, full play time. So I played 1, save, okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See what setting that to 2 is. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. That is fine. I didn't expect anything to happen with it, but you might as well check. We're just jumping around in it. Just messing around, seeing what I can pull off. I'm trying to figure out how to possibly spawn in more than one player. I don't know how that'll go, but if we can, that would be cool. I could also just like barely be missing things just due to the lack of due to the lack of symbols and everything else in the game. But you know, we'll see what happens if I do this. Can we spawn multiple Minas? Nothing. What about here? The answer seems to be no. Oh man, I just wish I had some symbols. That would make life so easy. But where would the challenge be there, you know? Player, anything in here? The hard part is really just finding out like where it actually handles the player and everything. Final boss, turn to player rate. Save flags. Player offset. Respawn. The issue with this stuff is like it's tough to find. 1 point? Absolutely nothing. Player count. I'm gonna go back to checking for player. No player. If that does not equal 0, that equals no player. What even is no player? Okay, I'm gonna check out Shovel of Hope, or Treasure Trove, I guess. Because it might be similar in Create Player. Create Entity. Fuck, I forgot that they do that. Yeah, so it'll be in like a switch case, I guess. Possibly. Could be separate. But I am... sorry. I am trying to figure out just how things work, kinda. I think for now, I will leave my spawning more players thing till later. And for now, I'm just gonna focus on debug things, I think. Composition. Does not equal 0. Create it. Yeah, I don't know. I think I'm gonna end it here though. We checked out all the levels, see what's in there, what's not. I will continue looking into this later. But yeah, have a good one, guys. Thanks.